During the war, UNICEF and partner remained on the ground delivering supplies for children. And now we are ready to scale up so we can help families rebuild their future and hope. I'm here today in Izgubile and we are distributing nutrition supplies for children in need. But this is just a small amount of what actually children need. After 2 years of devastation, destruction, families have almost lost everything. People in Gaza need tarps, they need tents, they need winter clothes, they need nutrition supplies, hygiene items. Children need to go back to school so they can smile and learn how to be children again. Families need food in their tables. They need a place to call home again. Children also need psychosocial support because after 2 years of war and destruction, they have endured a lot. And not all aid comes on trucks.